Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete a board on Pinterest. Maybe you created a board that you no longer need or you just want to clean up your profile. So today I am going to show you how to delete a board on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the board that you want to delete. This will take you to the board page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear, and from this menu, tap on this Edit Board option. On this page, at the bottom, you will see this Delete option. Simply tap on this option. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and here, tap on this delete button to confirm that you want to delete the board. After that, you now have successfully deleted a board on Pinterest. Take note that once you deleted the board, all the pins associated with it will also be deleted. However, if you have shared the board with other users, they will still have access to the board and its contents. To revoke access, you need to remove the users from the board before deleting it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete a board on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete a board on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.